Madame Gazelle, Miss Appleberry, guess what? Guess what? What is that, JJ? I learned a very cool song on the weekend. Oh, what's that? Old MacDonald. Oh, that is a great song. Yeah, I'd like to sing it, but I was hoping my friends would help me. Oh, I'm sure they can help, JJ. Yes, JJ, we'd love to help. All right then, let's get started. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had what did he have? I know, a pig. That's right, thanks, Peppa. E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Thanks, Peppa. No problem, JJ. And on that farm he had he had a mouse. E-I-E-I-O. With a squeak, squeak here and a squeak, squeak there. Here a squeak, there a squeak, everywhere a squeak, squeak. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Way to go, Tom Tom. And on that farm he had I know, a pony. E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh here and a neigh, neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh, neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had, George, we already did pig. And on that farm he had a dine saw. E-I-E-I-O. With a rawr here and a rawr there. Here a rawr, there a rawr, everywhere a rawr, rawr. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Wait, Miss Appleberry. Yeah, what's that, Yo-Yo? What do people say? Well, they say, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. With a how do you do here and a how do you do there? Here a do, there a do, everywhere how do you do? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, wow, guys, that was so much fun. You guys are all such fantastic singers. Thank you so much for joining in. It was really special. No problem, JJ. Everyone knows it's better to sing with friends and brothers. And boy, do I love singing! Tom Tom, you're so good at it. Thanks, JJ. You guys want to go play? Yes, everybody, go on and play. Yay! Thank you for watching our video. And remember, please like and subscribe. What he said, like and subscribe.